Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of Envie ECR rechargeable battery charger. So this model is ECR 20. I had already purchased ECR 11, which is here, which I have already reviewed. So there is some problem with this ECR 11 which I am facing. So it's starting but it's not charging up to full level. So that's why I have purchased this another one. So for ECR 11 and ECR 20 you have 1 year manufacturer warranty, and I am in process with the manufacturer to get it replaced. But in the meantime I tried to purchase this cheaper option ECR 20. So let's do the unboxing. So this is ECR 20. So here you see inbuilt plug, and in this model you had one long cable, and in this earlier model also you see that it supports both AA batteries and AAA batteries. So AAA will come here, smaller battery, and the larger one will come here. Now let's see how is it different in this ECR 20. So inside you get this user manual. So it looks much more compact. The size looks similar, almost similar, slightly smaller, but you get inbuilt plug. So if you look at the user manual, it says that it should be used only for AA, AAA, nickel MH, NiCd, these kind of batteries and not others. And for charging you can charge either 2 pieces or 4 pieces at a time. So let's use this. I already have a few rechargeable batteries with me which I can try on. So for these are AA batteries, so you have to put it in this place. And in ECR 20, which I am unboxing today, in this one, first let's see what is the problem I am getting in ECR 11. So let's put 2 batteries. So you can use 2 or 4 battery in pairs. And now let's start the charging. So you see it starts and then errors out. So this is the problem. Now let's try it in ECR 20, our new model. So let's turn it off. So putting the batteries is very simple. This negative side comes this side. Press it and you are done. And this is has the built-in plug. So it does not have that beautiful UI LED display और यहाँ पे, and now I have plugged it in and you can see that there is LED light. Let's try these two in the right one cells and see what happens. So again it's charging, but if you put these cells separately, then the light will not glow. You can use all the 4 cells, then both will glow, or you can use 2 at a time. So this is the process. So I hope you liked it. So please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.